Oh, 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 oh. God. Oh no!
To play like
Whatever will I do?
it was like this last time.
What a shame.
Shotgun.
Hey, you tell him.
Now, I kind of skip stuff on the wall.
Oh shoot.
Why? Say why, please. Say why. Say
Oh.
say what? Dad,
Oh,
say
shucks.
what? Dad, say what?
Wait, launcher work with these. Hold on, let me get one. Can you put my baby in there? Come in. Dang, you just shot him. Oh! Oh my god.
Why are you so aggressive? My god.
Now I see why people are camping in here.
I'm in on it.
Scoop! You just froze yourself.
Dang. That is straight karma. Oh, let's go.
Blub, 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 blub.
Let me be. Oh, okay, you are. Lily? Lily. How does that make you happy? Like, why?
Run!
Doesn't no milk better?
Now what do we do? Run!
Now you like
Froze them.
grab like any item like this, and then you like throw it. So let me first.
Oh! First try! I got it first try.
Oh, let's go. You gotta do it with 5 items. Wait. You have to get this thing 5 times in a row.
I'm in here.
What
Bro's just trying to kill everyone he sees. We're not the
Everybody
predator.
report him.
Oh my
Everybody
God,
report him
stop.
at once.
Yeah, report him.
Everybody report him.
Yeah, report him.
I made an entire church in the lobby.
Warrior
Everyone
ghost.
just decided
Warrior
to
ghost.
try to
Everybody
vandalize it.
report him. Warrior
Bro,
ghost.
Okay,
report
report him,
Yeah.
report him, report him.
Bro, are you serious?
What is he
Who did
doing? What is Wario Ghost doing?
He's harassing.
How?
Does anybody have enough?
How's he harassing people?
Could someone buy a room 1 in my community, please?
He's easy to juke y'all. He's like one of the worst players here.
Yeah,
I
but when
know,
you try
I
and
just-
do something in the water, it's annoying as fuck.
I got him frozen. I got him
Oh,
frozen.
hey, look! This is a PvP world, and you're reporting him. He's just playing the game.
Yeah, exactly. I don't have a
No, but
problem
we're
with
not
him.
on teams, and we told him to stop.
That is his defense. It is a PvP world, and it's made for killing people.
Bro, if you kill me, I'm reporting you.
Buddy!
It's a PvP world.
Hit me,
You
kill
can't
me.
report somebody for killing you.
No.
Yeah, that's like reporting someone in Fortnite for someone doing 360 on it.
Well, that depends.
Okay, he's a
Oh my God, he did let it cut me off like that.
If we just kill him, then
Yeah.
well, it should be easy. Just deal with him. Everyone, open fire on this guy.
All right, bet.
What up? There's a vandal. Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Wait, dude, I own guns. I own guns. I own shotguns. Get him. Okay.
Oh no.
Wait, guys, can I use a shotgun or a bazooka?
Wait, donkey, bro. Why is it not? I only got like 1 of them, but it's not working. Like, look, come over here. It says skip 5 different items, and I only got up to here. Oh, you have to
Come here, buddy.
4 items. Like, grab this. Yeah. Oh.
Two.
Skip. You have to like here.
Oh, I don't have to skip one more bet.
Nothing, don't teleport!
Could you give me the rose again? Or the yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Super jump.
He's
Yeah.
attacking.
You tried to
What
send
did
me
you-
an Oculus
Lefties,
Mental
can I have a,
For some reason, it won't let me. Every single time I try, you could just do it by pressing this button.
oh god.
What button?
Oh, it has. Will you stop? Oh my God.
Skip like this. Skip this.
Really?
Skip this.
I'll send it.
You might as well kill me. Damn.
Check it.
Deserves.
Yeah, you can.
Oh shoot.
Yeah.
Shot in a way instead of something to the side.
Take that off and skip it.
Wherever he is, I'm gonna throw my child at him. Stop.
Hey, could I have other items? Yeah.
Deal with this guy.
Girl, why would you mess me up?
Oh, you want to play
my
my
child?
child?
Wait, okay, I'm almost done.
Grappler's fight.
The most dangerous combo is shotgun and ice bomb. I just found that out.
Here.
Yo, super chumps. I think you
Yeah.
need to confirm it in notifications.
Yeah.
And then, dude, we need to make a
Wes?
community world. No, my name, I'm EDO. I think you gotta
I got it.
confirm
I confirmed it.
But, dude, what if we make a community world?
I don't know. That's a child. Hold on, let me just ice bomb somebody and leave.
Have other items? There you go.
Oh my gosh, kill him! Also, I own all the guns. I think I'm.
Hey, can I have a crossbow? Hey, guy who has only the guns, can I have the crossbow, please?
There you go. Thank you.
Get him.
No, I'll give you 10 to give me a crossbow.
Get him.
Yeah, that's what I want.
Bazooka is technically the same thing. Get him.
Oh, I gotta
Get him.
The easiest way to keep him away is ice bombs.
Okay, and what do I go to do?
I gotta get caught.
Anyway, you're super
Sorry.
tough. Where are you?
Yeah, I'm right here.
Bro,
Oh, we
need
go
to make
to
a community-
playground. Then
Wait, I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna call you.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right.
Come down here, Mr. Swordman. Bro, I'm gonna get off. Donkey. Monkey, whatever. I'm gonna get off that. Bye. Oh, that way. Yes.
Does anyone own bats? Does anyone own bats?
I own that.
Yeah. Can I have a bat? No.
Smoke grenade.
Oh, you completely missed. Oh, now he's just camping for us to come out. He's trying to kill everyone else and he's gonna wait for till. Oh, good going, man. Good going.
Where's Grappler?
Oh, he's back. He's back.
Oh, crap, it's back.
Hello. I have him frozen. He's frozen. Okay.
Oh, look, monkey.
But I'm gonna go to my favorite map. Bye.
No, I missed him.
Bro, I'm literally in the starting place. You can't hurt me. Now, what if I